Hello everyone, welcome to the Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is a behavior definition. Behavior means methods. Behavior means methods. When a programmer creates a class, she creates methods for that class. Methods are where the class logic is stored. Methods are where the real works get done. They are where algorithms get executed and data get manipulated. This is a behavior definition. The suppose programmer will create the any class. In that class, some methods need to create. This way in that methods, we need to write the class logics. We need to write the real work get done. We need to write the algorithms get executed and data manipulation also get executed. I will tell with example, I will tell better understanding purpose. Suppose we are make any bike or mobile or anything. You can make any bike. In that bike, engine is a main part of the bike. Suppose we need to run the bike means we need to start the bike. Engine is a mandatory for that. We need to drive means that engine first we need to start. Start means we need to engine is a main for starting or running. Everything engine is a mandatory for that. Like here also we need to run the application. We need to create the class. Method is a main. Heart of the application, that means heart of the class is a method. Method and variables. That means inside the method we are returning some code. But suppose you can take a bike only. First you can fill the petrol or gas in the bike. That means that gas will go to the engine. You can burn into that one. Once is burned, that force is produced. That means energy is produced and that bike will move. Like that here also we need to execute the any code. Inside the method we should write the code. We should write the logic of the application. Suppose you can take example here mentioning addition example. In that addition example we are returning a plus b. A plus b means we are adding. That means we are passing the a value and b value, that is calculating and returning to the, that means providing to the output. Like that once you can fill the petrol we can start that one. That means engine will consume that petrol and generate the energy and give the output of that energy. Once you can get the energy, it will push the bike will move one place to another place. Bike, everything moving that way. Suppose humans also can take humans every day taking the food. The digestion, human body digest that food. Human body digest that food and provide the energy. Based on that energy we are walking and running, doing our work, daily work. How humans are doing daily work? We need energy. How that energy will produce? We are eating some food. Based on that food, human digestion machine generating the energy and providing energy to the human. Like that also here also we need to generate the energy. Where energy is generating in Java, generating the energy, where generating energy means methods. We need this method in generating energy. We need some of the supports, that is a variables. The variables will support that method. That method will generate the energy and that method will provide to the output to the programmer or customers. Like that, behavior means we are generating the logics, we are writing the logics, we are generating the data manipulations. This everything will provide into the in methods one. See, you can take another example also. Oh, we are taking another addition example. Here passing string ID and name. We are displaying ID and name. That means what type of data we are passing, we are displaying based on that one. Like that, we are behavior is working. Public is, I will explain one by one. Public is modifier. Public is a modifier. That means access modifier. Just access modifiers. If you don't know access modifiers, you can check my YouTube channel. In that YouTube channel is available as what is access modifiers. Public is a access modifier or access specifier. Int is a return type. That means which type of return we need. That is a return type. Addition is a method name. That means name of the method addition. Int A, int B is a parameters. Which type of parameters we are passing. That is a parameters. Return A plus B. Return A plus B. That means inside the return A plus B, that is a body of the method. That means inside the bracket is open and close places is there. That is a body of the method. See, you can take another example as a public int addition, string ID, string name. String ID, string name is a parameters. Int is a return type. Addition is a method name. Public is a modifier. That means access modifier or access specifiers. Inside the in between the braces, we are returning system.out.println. That is the body of the method. I will tell example. Suppose bike, you can take bike only. You can provide the petrol or gas to the bike. Once you can enter the gas or bike, fill the petrol or gas, the engine will consume that petrol and generating the energy. Like here also like that only. We are passing into A and B, that is a petrol. You can consider it as a petrol. A plus B is the engine generating the result of the A plus B. What is A plus B? Returning into the value. That is why here returning A plus B. Suppose we can go in a shop. We are giving 100 rupees, we can take some food. That means we are giving 100 rupees, that person based on 100 returning something to the customer. Like that here also return means something, return back to the some value. Like that here behavior is working. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet in next videos.